guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this camera is set up right. See, I'm in my mum and dad's bedroom again. A little update on my bedroom. It is finally coming together now. I have my new bed up. The main wall is all decorated. I just need to buy my wardrobe and just little things like that. So, if I'm out of breath, I've just ran upstairs. I've had to run back down again because I forgot something and ran back up. We're going to breathe, we're going to do this. So this is a Home Bargains haul. It is mainly Christmas presents, but it's a haul. So here we go. So anyway, we picked up the Perfume Factory. This was £10, bargain if you ask me. If you go to Argos, you will find this for around about £15 to £20, I think it is. I know most of the factory stuff in there is around about £20, but this was actually a tenner. So yeah, I thought that was a really good price. Saving £10 anyway from Argos. Then we got Roxy this. It is a Christmas jumper. It is a red one. It has love hearts there. Then you have like your little snowflakes there. You get your two little front legs can go through there, and your back legs just go through these hoops, so she can easily wee and poop. And this is a collar bit, which is meant to be like that, and then you have like your little hole to put the hook of her collar through so you can take her for walkies, and she's already tried it on, it fits perfect, super duper cute. And I got this one because I think, well, by looking at it, I'd say she can wear this all year round, because it's not really Christmassy, it's really cute. But anyway, we got that for, I think that was £1.99. My mum picked up a coffee maker. So this is really good. It, like, you know, put your coffee beans in there and whatever you gotta do, you gotta do. I think this was round about £2.99, £3.99, roughly that mark. They had all different colours. They had green, red, not sure if they had yellow and orange. But yeah, so she wanted that. As per usual, we always get the women's things. These are by tenner. You get 12 pads in here, and these are the 3-tier ones. These are really good through the daytime. Then we got a My Little Pony thing for my cousin. She's 6 years old. So yeah, she's going to absolutely love this. I think this is super duper cute. If you can hear anything, that's our telephone. But anyway, you get the actual pony, and then you get a comb and a hairdryer. Just really cute. Called Power Ponies. Maniac, Mayhem. I'm just trying to see if he's going to actually tell me what this pony's called. Or is that it? Maniac, Mayhem? Who knows? I don't remember this pony when I was a kid, but anyway, there's that one. She's going to really love that. That was £3.99. We also got a giant bag of these, which are downstairs. They were £3. Got 2 nuggets. They was 59p. Then I got 2 of these hand wash things. We got the normal Carex Complete Sensitive Antibacterial Hand Wash, 30% free. And then there's this Carex, which is 3x more moisturisers. Coconut oil and almond. Enriching Bacterial Hand Wash. Care Plus, I don't know, but it looks really nice. I like the packaging to this one. So these was 99p each. We got 2 birthday cards right here. One of these is for my sister. To someone special, happy birthday, enjoy your day, party on, fun, celebrate. That's that one. This was 59p. So yeah. Then my nephew got a card saying Rip Roué. Rip Roué, I don't know, it's a Scooby-Doo card, again 79p. Yeah. Then I got a big jar. We actually got 2 of these. My mum is coming to be an assistant. Show the tub off, here we go, 2 of the big girls right here. So we got 2 of these. These was £2.99, wasn't they?
4?
£3.99. Yeah, these was £3.99 each, and again, I think this is a bargain. I mean, look how many sweet candies you actually get in there. A lot. And let me just tell you something, this weighs a ton. Even though it's marshmallow, that's how big the tub is. It actually weighs a ton. So this bit's plastic, this bit's metal, so it's a proper tub.
They're coming for your bed in 5 minutes.
Alright. My mum just telling me that somebody's coming for my bed. Anyway, so yeah, this is called the Marshmallow Mix. Sweets through the ages. I really, really want these, but I can't have any. I'm not allowed these. I'm not allowed these because of
I'm having them.
Things that are happening. So anyway, I then got a big bag of pistachio nuts. These are actually good for you. All depends on the amount that you're going to eat, of course. But yeah, I got these for £1.99. And the last one, yeah, I've already done that one, Mum. The last thing that I'm going to show you in this haul. Or did I just tell a porky? Oh no, there's 2 things here. Let me just have a look. Excuse me, Roxy. Yeah, just these last 2 things. Domestos. I always show these every haul because they are that good, guys. If I like something and I think it's good and I think it's worth that money, I'm going to tell you and I'm going to keep buying it. And if I keep buying it, I'm going to show it. So, we've got one here in Pink Magnolia. Absolutely gorgeous. But my favourite one of all time is the lime one, and this absolutely smells your bathroom out of lime. It's gorgeous. So that is all for this haul this Monday. I'm sorry there wasn't a haul last Monday, but things are just really, really hectic, very, very busy. So now I'm going to go. I'm going to love you and leave you guys because I just have this furniture man who has just turned up now to pick the bed up. So yeah, I'm going to have to go now. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button for more notifications. My mama says bye-bye. Say it again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So yeah, we're going to go now. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.